Four construction pros from ConExpo 17, Las Vegas Convention Center. And with me now is Paul Clarke, who's the General Manager of Global Paving for Caterpillar. How are you, Paul?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Welcome
Thanks for the invite.
aboard.
Good to be here, Roger. Thank you.
Well, tell us what's going on with your division of Caterpillar. Must be a lot of exciting things, new technologies.
We do have a lot of new technologies, a lot of exciting things. Caterpillar has provided us 30% of the showroom space here inside in the North Hall. Very
You must
excited
be
by
special.
That. We must be special. And a big part of that is having 3 cold planers that we're showing at the show.
That was going to be my next question. Tell us
Yes.
about cold planers.
Yeah, so on the cold planers item, we've, in fact, for years, we only had 2 models of cold planers.
Right.
To give you an idea, by the end of this year, we're going to have 8 models of cold planers. So the PM620 and 622 have been out for about a year. We're showing the PM622 here at the show. But we're also showing at the show a PM825 and a PM312. So in the PM825 is one of 3 high horsepower 2-meter machines, 750 horsepower machines, which is really kind of the leading product in North America for cold planing. Those will be available in the 4th quarter, as well as the smaller machine. We're showing a PM312, also with the PM310 and PM313. We'll be having those available at the end of this year as well. That's a 1 meter, 48-inch drum machine, so half the size of the PM620. Those 8 models that we'll have by the end of the year is about 75% of the world's opportunity for cold planers.
I was just going to say that covers such a wide range.
Yes.
It must just provide a bunch of opportunities for contractors.
It does. A lot of opportunity for contractors. You know, it's been really neat about these cold planers is that we had cold planers for years as part of different acquisitions we've done. This time with the cold planer, we started with a clean sheet of paper. Spent a lot of time with contractors and what they wanted out of a milling machine.
Their input.
Got their input, and so really significant difference from our former cold planers, the PM102 and PM200. I mean, 2 really great features we've put in these machines is ramp in, ramp out. So as you probably know, when you're driving on a milled road and you hit that hard bump and you go off the milling to the surface, with ramp in, ramp out, it gives you a very clear 45-degree angle coming out, so it's a smooth transition.
Nice, tight transition.
Yeah.
Boy, we looked for that. A lot of states still haven't found the answer to that problem, has
Yes.
they?
Yes. So, you know, a lot of nice features. So we're getting a lot of great feedback from customers, both on the productivity of the machines, as well as outstanding fuel efficiency.
Well, you got some new asphalt pavers, I understand, too, particular to that 1055.
Yes, the 1055F is the one we're showing at the show. The F-Series pavers were introduced, the first one about 2 years ago, and then the latest one here last year on the full range of full product line on pavers on the F-Series. This one at the show, the 1055F, we've got fully set up with our partners Trimble with 3D paving, which is the industry is quickly going to 3D paving for a lot of important jobs, airports. A great story about the Corvette racetrack in Kentucky was built with an F-Series 1055F and using 3D GPS as part of that.
Right.
So a lot of great features on the F-Series. Been highly successful here in North America. People love the item on. We have a 70 kilowatt inverter on the machine.
Really?
You actually get heat up time on the screed of only 15 minutes. So it gets, customers basically can sleep in another half hour, 45 minutes before they can have to start their day because the machine heats up that quickly to start their paving.
Wow. Well, I want to hit another area that's good for you too, and that's compaction. And there's a lot happening in that field as well, and it's certainly, when you're talking about paving, whether it's asphalt or concrete, they all kind of meld together, don't they? I mean, you almost ought to have one without the other. It isn't going to work.
Well, the compaction is just absolutely critical for the whole paving process. It's part of that. And so we're showcasing really at ConExpo here 3 items. One item that we just introduced is oscillation, which oscillation not new to the industry, but new to Caterpillar. We really like what we've done with our oscillation system. We have a hardened shell, get you a lot more life than some of the competitive system. as well as we're using powertrain type belt systems that really, again, give you really good life on your oscillation system. It's a great finishing tool for contractors, and we had a lot of push from our customers to bring out an oscillation system from Caterpillar, and we're proud to show it here for the first time. Already, we just introduced here in the last 6 weeks, have a number of orders from customers for the oscillation system on our asphalt compactors. Another item that we are highlighting here is machine-to-machine communication.
I was just going to talk about CAT Connect and all of that.
It's a great system. It's a system, again, working with our partner Trimble on. It's Wi-Fi on the asphalt compactors. So if you imagine the breakdown process, which is really the compactors right behind the paver. Often it's done with two pavers, two compactors.
Right.
The idea of knowing what each compactor has done for compaction is critical to make sure you don't miss a spot or over compact.
Absolutely. Right.
So one compactor can see what the other compactor has done, and vice versa, which is a great feature. And again, really get a lot of interest.
This technology 5 years ago.
And this is that whole idea, which the final item really intelligent compaction, which this machine to machine is part of, but the broader item of intelligent compaction, huge increase in the industry lately of customers wanting that data mapping, that GPS item to know what they've compacted, the temperature of the mat of what they've compacted. Huge growth in that part of the business. We have a full range of items we offer under intelligent compaction, both on the soil side, especially with our machine drive power technology, as well as in the asphalt compaction side, machine to machine, data mapping, temperature mapping, full range of intelligent compaction for our customers.
Never ends, does it?
Never ends.
It's got to be exciting for you to see all of this come into vogue. This technology thing has just gone skyrocketed, just skyrocketed.
Absolutely, and Caterpillar has been and continues to be and will be the leader in technology, both for paving as well as for the whole construction equipment industry.
Well, it sure is looking exciting for the future.
It is.
Paul Clarke,
thank you so much,
General
Roger.
Manager of Global Paving for Caterpillar, and I'll tell you what, you got a lot on your plate.
Yep. Thank you so much,
Good luck
Roger.
and much success at the show.
Thank you so much.
From ConExpo 17.
Whether you're printing replacement parts or running an autonomous operation, everything we do to move you further. From bringing renewable power to remote sites, to producing wearables that predict a safer future, from lasers that drive heavy machinery, to enabling NASA to build on the red planet. Everything we create is inspired by what you want to build, because the future belongs to those who build it.